Come out, wherever you are, zombies. I think my mom and dad are zombies. If they are, they would be in a basement changing into one. I think I see one now. I see one. Yeah. Take that, zombie. I think you need a second hit. I hit one down.